Hey everyone, I've just picked up this Triple Molasses Rum from Archie. Now this is a blend of 3 molasses combining together to give us a beautiful, sweet rum for an epic concoction. What concoction are we making? We're gonna whip up a jungle bird. Woo! Ka-ka! Alrighty, so this cocktail is made in the glass. We are going to pop in 45 mils of our Triple Molasses Rum. Bam. Then we're going to follow that with 15 mils of lime juice, 45 mils of our pineapple juice. Oh, it smells so good as well. That is good. We're gonna then pop in another 15 mils of Campari. And then we're gonna chuck in 10 mils of our sugar syrup. Picard. Alrighty, pop some ice in there. About 100 mils or so of ice. And then we're going to shake to bake. Awesome. So not too much shaking is really needed with that guy because we're going to add a little bit of crushed ice to the top of this. Now I have my ultra cute, ultra cool Frank tiki mug here. This is from Archie as well. So saw it come up last time and they were like, oh, put in your order. Missed out. Wasn't going to miss out again. So got my Frank here and I'm just going to fill Frank the cockatoo up. Awesome. And then, as I wasn't lying before, we're going to just put some nice crushed ice. We're just going to fill that with crushed ice. Now this is a great drink for those hot days. Great drink for those cold days. I'm just going to keep filling. Alrighty, now we've got Frank all filled up with ice. We have 3 little pineapple fronds. Pineapple fronds are becoming harder to find, so I actually just, when I found one, ripped one off, chucked it in the garden, and now it is growing again. So that's a good little trick. And we're just gonna pop that into the top. We're gonna give him his little crest there, and we're just gonna finish that off. Just a little bit of ice there. And there we go. Kika! Oh, a little straw as well. Let me put in a straw in. Drink the brains. And there we have it, the jungle bird, Kika.